Hi bestie, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I want us to go into details, okay, on different lotions that you can use in this dry and harmattan season or in the winter season if you are outside Nigeria. Now, in a previous video, I shared with you products that you can use in a typical skincare routine during the harmattan season or during the winter season. These lotions I'm going to be sharing with you are all affordable lotions, and of course, I'm also going to be letting you know which of them is best for you if you are dark in complexion or if you're fair skin, if you have an oily skin, if you have a dry skin. Okay, so hit the subscribe button right now to be a part of this family. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video right here on this channel. Please also click on the join button to join our channel membership, and of course click on the thanks button to show your support to the growth of this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now, the very first lotion that, of course, I'm going to be talking about is this Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care Lotion. Now, just as the name implies, it is an advanced care lotion. What it means that it is formulated to give you extra hydration as against what the regular Nivea Radiant and Beauty lotion is supposed to do for you. This comes in a 400 ml bottle and is perfect for people with ashy and dry skin. So if you have already been experiencing ashy skin, or you're someone who is always experiencing ashy or dry skin even before the harmattan season, then you want to lock in with the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care Lotion, okay, because it gives you 48 hours nourishment. This means that when you apply it, it gives you 48-hour moisture. You're sure that your skin is going to be hydrated for at least the next 48 hours. And I mean, by the time you're applying it, maybe at night or the next morning, you're even getting extra hydration. So your skin is going to remain soft, your skin is going to remain moisturized throughout the end of the day. Now, this particular lotion is not very greasy. If you're dark skin or you're olive skin and you're looking for a body lotion that will just tone out your skin, you know, give you that bright look, that supple, soft, natural look that you like, then you want to opt for this Nivea body lotion, and you do not need to mix it. Yes, remember, I already said it's giving you 48 hours moisture, so you do not need to mix in glycerin because it already even contains tons of other ingredients like avocado oil, almond oil, olive oil, macadamia oil. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B3, and all these ingredients together are all hydrating and moisturizing ingredients that will help to keep your skin hydrated all through the day. The next body lotion that I'll be sharing with you, of course, is this E45 moisturizing lotion. This one is dermatologically tested and comes in a 500 ml bottle. It is also fragrance free. So if you're someone who does not like lotions that, you know, have fragrance or a perfume, maybe because you're sensitive, you know, to having, you know, perfumes or alcohol in your lotion or in your skincare product that you now transfer to your skin, then this one is actually very perfect for you. It is ideal for people who have dry to normal skin and also for people who are fair in complexion. It is very lightweight as against the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care Lotion, so it absorbs even more easily into your skin. And now, of course, I already mentioned that it is best for people who are fair skinned because it is actually going to visibly brighten your skin because of the presence of vitamin C in this particular body lotion. So if you're not looking to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, or tune out your skin so that it becomes even toned, then you want to stay away from the E45 body lotion. It will help to protect your skin from dryness. It is going to take care of every roughness, every scaliness, every flakiness that you have on your skin. It is going to heal it up completely. Let me tell you something that I really like, okay, and I really like about this particular E45 moisturizing lotion, and that is the fact that it gives you the deep hydrating moisturizing all day for 24 hours. Okay, you do not need to reapply within 24 hours as against the Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion that even if you as someone who has fair skin, sorry, is using it, you would have to reapply, okay, in the course of the day, especially if you are experiencing very severe dry and ashy skin. But this one is also perfect for infants. Yes, you can use it for your child between the ages of 3 months and above, and it will keep your baby skin and your skin hydrated all day long. Now let's move on to the third lotion on my list, and that is the Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. Now this one is a breakthrough, okay, it is a breakthrough lotion when it comes to lotions for people who have dry skin, and I am talking people who have extreme dry skin. You know that even during the rainy season or the summer season, you're always experiencing flakiness. Even if you use body oils, you have to reapply in the course of the day because your skin will dry out, okay, within 12 hours or within 6 hours. The Eucerin advanced repair lotion is just perfect for you. So now one reason why it is one reason why it is also called a repair lotion and is a breakthrough is that it is not just going to moisturize your skin and keep your skin moisturized or hydrated for 48 hours at a stretch. It is also going to help to balance your skin tone, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, acne, and hyperpigmentation on your skin, and it gently exfoliates your skin by breaking the bond, okay, that thing that causes those dead skin cells to be attached to your skin. You know how you use a glue to join two things together, for example, my two fingers together. So what this lotion does is that it breaks that glue in between them so that the dead skin cells can fall off easily and quietly on their own, leaving your skin, your natural skin, glowing, hydrated, balancing the tone of your skin, like I already said, evening it out at the same time so that your skin is uniform. This one is also fragrance free and paraben free. Now what this means that it does not contain fragrance, of course, and being paraben free means that you can use it in the long term without any fear of any health risks or challenge to your skin. Any product that contains paraben and is used consistently over time would likely cause you severe skin care issues, okay, like even cancer in the long run, and even fertility issues in the cases of women. And I know that majority of my audience here on this channel are ladies, so it increases your risk of experiencing infertility. So you want to pay attention to the ingredients in your lotion, okay, you guys. I always say this in most of my videos. So long as you have decided to begin to do skincare, to pay attention to the type of body lotion that you buy or that can be good for your skin for a certain period of time. You also want to look at the ingredients. I'm not saying study all the ingredients that are used to make body lotions generally, but there are key things, okay, key ingredients that you should look out for pertaining your health and also pertaining your skincare concern, so that you can get exactly what you want with little to no side effects at all. And of course, this lotion is actually sticky, but it is also a deep moisturizing body lotion that will leave your skin soft, smooth, and supple all day long. So you do not have any fear or worry about having flaky or very ashy or very, very dry skin. And of course, that brings me to the fourth lotion I have for you, which is the Vaseline Advanced Repair Lotion. Now, this one is value for money because it is actually going to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, okay, all through the day. This one is also good for people who are dark skin in complexion, olive skin in complexion, and even fair skin in complexion if you're not looking to brighten your skin, because it is not going to lighten your skin or whiten your skin or tune out your skin. It is just going to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So it is best for people who have dry skin, who have flaky skin, or who are trying to treat dry and flaky skin on their body. It has a thick and creamy consistency, which makes it very hydrating, but at the same time it absorbs very easily into your skin regardless of how thick the consistency is. Now, this one, just like the Eucerin as well, is also going to help to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks on your body. It is also going to help to significantly reduce the appearance of eczema, whether on your hands or other parts of your body if you're experiencing such. It is going to strengthen your skin barrier, and I think this is also one thing that I really love about this particular one, the Vaseline Advanced Repair Body Lotion. It is going to strengthen your skin barrier. It is going to repair your skin barrier. So peradventure the lotions you've been using previously or any other skincare product that you've added to your skincare routine has in one way or the other broken your skin barrier, with or without you knowing that such a thing has happened, it will help to strengthen your skin barrier and leave your skin hydrated, moisturized, even into the summer season. So my darlings, these four lotions are what you should be investing in, okay? I will give you a bonus tip and say you should use the Irish Gold lotion, okay? I already shared it in the previous video where I talked about the skincare product and the skincare routine and the product that you should be using during during the harmattan and the dry season. And of course, one of the lotions that I mentioned there, or the lotion I mentioned basically, was the Irish Gold body lotion that is 100% hydroquinone free. If you want to check out that video, I'm going to leave it linked in the card here for you to see as soon as you are done watching this video. If you have watched this video to this point, thank you very much. Please share this video. Also click on the subscribe button if you have not already. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. If there are other skincare topics, skincare products that you would like us to talk about or to review on this channel, please drop them in the comment section below and I will be bringing them to you immediately. Of course, please, my darlings, very importantly, support the growth of this channel, okay, by clicking on that thanks button and our channel membership button so that you can be a part of this channel And thank you for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.